Despite an impending snowstorm and freezing temperatures, we were able to make our appointment with Klaus Bischoff, Volkswagen Design Head, at the 2018 Chicago Auto Show. Bischoff had a bustling morning advancing the all-new 2019 Arteon sedan, and we looked up with him some other time in the day at the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta Design Workshop at an adjacent occasion space in Chicago's South Loop neighborhood. The all-new Jetta made its introduction not as much as a month sooner at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show, and Bischoff talked about the new model at a workshop amid an interesting introduction over beverages and great appetizers. Additionally, in participation was an exemplary 1982 Volkswagen Jetta that welcomed us at the space's passageway. Seeing the original model very close made it simple to perceive how far VW's top-of-the-line demonstrate has developed. The 7th-age Jetta joins the Golf and Passat and now moves on the MQB stage, which gives the sedan a 1.3 inches longer wheelbase throughout the last form, now at 105.7 inches. It likewise sports a more extensive track and more inside space than the past age. The Jetta is such an iconic product. We wanted to come up with something totally new. It was essential to give this product more prestige, more sportiness, a totally new proportion, said Bischoff. Beginning in advance, the even lines of the grille and round, focused identification make it simple to recognize it as a VW. You can see the family likeness back to the first 1979 model. It was essential to give Jetta a strong face, said Bischoff. The combination of headlight and grille into one shape gives the front a very wide look, but the grille is also very high and deeply carved. It stands proud. It's totally new for Jetta to have such a powerful expression. Contrasted with the square-shaped first-gen Jettas, the 2019 variant is smoother, more advanced, and balanced present-day vehicle. In any case, the additional time you spend examining it, more character lines, wheel curves, and points of interest that reach out from the way to the taillights start to develop. Around back there's an inconspicuous spoiler that is integrated with the storage compartment, and the space found inside it has expanded significantly too. The inside gets an unobtrusive update too, with every one of its checks and infotainment controls equipped towards the driver. There are even 2 or 3 handles for the stereo, which is dependably incredibly refreshing. Human-machine interface, HMI, is particularly alive in the most recent reincarnation of the Jetta. HMI design is about simplicity. You should understand everything from the first gaze, said Bischoff. A cockpit layout needs to be perfect in ergonomics, everything in one line, everything self-explanatory. Our most loved redesign on the all-new Jetta is the Volkswagen digital cockpit, which looks almost tantamount to the ones found in higher-end Audis. Look at our video of Bischoff showing a more itemized clarification of the Jetta's new plan dialect from the workshop here. The 2019 Volkswagen Jetta is relied upon to touch base at dealerships in the spring.